Muthenya umwe thutha wa president wa igoti ria macira ma gucokio riko kuruta maritwa ma acirithania aria magathikiriria na gutuithania cira wa BBI, munini wa president William Ruto ni acokereire ndereti iria ingiteithiriria guthararia giuthi gia kuhonokia ithabu ria BBI.
One of the important things we need to have is people who can tell us when our zip is down. And I want to tell the leaders who turn the churches into political platforms, your zip is down. It is not that we cannot bring people. We have the resources, but we respect God and the church.
We will continue kneeling that come next year, mambo ambaye tunaweka mbele, ambaye ni mambo ya uchaguzi, Mwenyezi Mungu atakupatia nguvu.
Ruto aritie igongona-ini ria kanitha wa Full Gospel mwena wa irathiro wa kaunti ya Naikuru kuria anikite mageca maria mari cira-ini uria ucoketio riko wa BBI, agikinyiriria ati Akenya matire na bata wa kugarurwo gwa gatiba ihinda-ini riri.
Huwezi kutuambia kwamba ikibadilishwa katiba viongozi wapate vyeo, mugawane mamlaka, ati mwananchi mdogo atafaidika. Sisi tunasema wachaneni na katiba, tuunde sera itakayoweka pesa kwa biashara ya mwananchi.
Akiariria kirindi kia andu aria makumirite mikira-ini ya barabara ya Kanu na Furaha tauni ya Naikuru, Ruto augire riciria ria kuongerera itura cia utongoria wathani-ini wa bururi ni ta kuhuririra mucumari muhiu kironda-ini kia murigo murito wa mishara ya atongoria uria uigireirwo mugongo-ini wa Mukenya.
Wananchi wako na changamoto nyingi. Tunataka sera ibadilishwe, biashara ipatikane. Tubadilishe sera, nafasi ya kazi ipatikane. Hiyo ya kitendawili mutaenda nyinyi, sisi hatukuji.
Abunge aria mauma hamwe na munini wa president makiuria acirithania mugwanja aria mamurite guthikiriria na gutuithania cira wa kana gatiba ni ibatie gwikwo mogaruruku kugerera BBI marumirire nginya cia acirithania atatu a igoti inene aria itua-ini riao maugire mubango wothe wa BBI ni wagararite gatiba ya bururi.
Nataka niombe wa Kenya ya kwamba katiba and other related laws in matters election, sisi kama Wakenya tuzishikilie na iwe msingi wa kutuongoza katika uchaguzi unaokuja.
Pole, wakati wako ukifika, wakati wa kuondoka, ondoka tu pole pole. Hakuna haja ya kubadilisha sheria. Ondoka tu pole pole, patie huyu mwingine mkono, hauna nguvu ya kuamua, ni hawa wananchi wanaamua.
And because we said 10 years for President Uhuru Kenyatta, it is 13 months for him to go and 10 more and time to usher you in as the 5th president of this republic.
Chebukati nasikia akisema hakuna pesa sijui ya uchaguzi ya nini. Wengine nasikia wakisema wata extend the election. Don't dare to do that. Kwa sababu hiyo unataka kuleta shida kwa Kenya hii. Wanakenya wanajua siku ya kufanya uchaguzi ni siku gani.
Mubango wa uiguano wa kiuteti gatagati ga ciama cia ODM na Jubilee ukioneka kurarakia munini wa president king'ang'a-ini akiuga we ndagacoka kuria aumire. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen.